Hi, it's Gerald Peplow. I'm out here at the Oak Glen Preserve, and I'm currently on a night walk. We're getting ready to go. I have a group of people that you can see them behind me there. We're getting ready to go and see the preserve at night, and just checking out this new camera I have that has good low light capabilities and everything else. So what we're going to do is go and just follow along and enjoy this beautiful place. Hey, how are you? It's good to see you.
How are you?
Having fun, having fun. Hi, guys. I haven't been out here at this time of the year in a long time. But when you get out here and the frogs start singing, that's what's really cool.
Alright guys, so this is also themed after the harvest moon. It goes by multiple names, so it could be leaves falling from trees, it's full moon, it could be the harvest moon, it could be...
as well as how light affects nocturnal pollination as well. So fungus, not all of them spread during the night, but some of them do. And actually the fact that like if they get spread throughout the night, they go way further because they either rely on their spores, like growing their spores, like distributing them like that, or from animals, water, wind, stuff like that.
Yes, we found our
No, that was a month ago. But
Leave it. Leave it.
Like I said, we're just gonna wait here until everybody's catched up, and then we'll keep walking. Look at the stars. How many stars?
Look. Look. There's a kite. There's a kite. Look.
Bears. Natural, yeah. I would like to see a bat take down a wolf. Vampire bat create a story about that.
and that's the plot of Twilight.
Yeah.
God.
There's also another myth that wolves like to kill for sport and fun, and that is not true. No. Not at all. Wolves are actually... and how they tie in, and you know they are a creature of the night, which has been, you know, they have been given a
Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about some nocturnal animals you might find around here in the preserve. The first one is a mule deer, and it's kind of funny. You might not think that a mule deer is a nocturnal animal, and that's because usually deer are something called crepuscular, which means they come out during dawn and dusk. But they're also very adaptable animals. So if there's a lot of human activity going on in their preferred hours, they'll sort of...
We just finished a wonderful walk. It was so cool. The team did so good passing these stories on and everything else. And what was really cool was all of these people. Watch this. Look behind me. Look how many people were out here instead of watching TV. Oh, these guys are going to take their kids and they're going to tuck them into bed and tell them stories, and they're going to talk about everything you saw. The Wildlands is the bomb.